Hello guys, Pedro again here. Welcome. I want to show you some things what I do today with this bathroom. This bathroom used to was a tub, and the tub is out, and now we make a shower, and we build the new shower fan. But before I do waterproofing, I gotta do pre-slope. Pre-slope means for the moisture. You're gonna have a waterproofing on top, but it's gonna be, when you take showers and stuff, it's still moisture. And the moisture is gonna leak to the drain, of the bottom part of the drain. That's why you do pre-slope. Way back then, I used to do a plywood pre-slope instead of concrete. But problem with the plywood is you gotta put the screws, and the screws, by the time you're standing, screws loosen up and they're squeaky, and tiles crack. Okay, that's why I put the concrete. Now, this is the waterproofing I'm using last 15-20 years. Instead of tar, they call it hot mop tar, like a roofing stuff. First of all, that's expensive, and then it doesn't last forever. Gets crumbled in the corners, then you got leak. This is the rubber. This is the rubber. It's approved by government and everybody, and this never crack and stays forever. What I did, I measured my shower and I cut it rectangular, you see, and I always put on the sun, on the heat, to kind of softer, make it softer. Otherwise, it's very hard to work with. Heat kind of makes it soft. Okay, now we're gonna go inside. Look, we are inside now. Okay. Okay. You gotta work. But my concrete is not dry all the way. I'm gonna make it too much mess. But all done. You gotta go all the way up, see? Okay. See? A lot of wash. This is very tricky part. You gotta be really professional to do this stuff. Okay. Perfect. This is it. Now, you gotta have a staple gun. This basic staple with T50, like 7 to 30 seconds. I mean, I don't know, cool it in. And you're gonna start stapling. You gotta go see what I'm doing here. Very good. Good. And you see what I'm doing, guys. There you go. See? Goes up, up, hold. Doesn't matter this if you are not really all the way to the sheetrock. If you're a little short, it doesn't matter, because you got cement going down. It's gonna be covered up, everything. A lot of guys, they cut the corner. That's a big mistake. No cut corner. There we go. That's what I need. That's what I need. That's what I need. There we go. Five. Good. See what I did with the corner? It's overlap. And later on I just cut this extra. And just go around. See? Perfect. Perfect corner. Perfect corner. And I guarantee forever this will never leak. Okay. Got a pocket knife, of course. Good. You gotta rub all the way around here. Like that. This guy is extra. This guy is gonna be wrapped up. Here we go. And we gotta go like a couple here to be round, down, and then you cut the bottom like that. You can go all the way around. You gotta have a very sharp knife for this stuff. So this rubber is crazy. Okay. Like I said, this rubber is so tough. Eh? Like it says. There you go. It's gonna be later on wrapped with the concrete, okay? Now, that's okay. Okay. You know what knife. That's a lot. Sick. Here's done. And later what do? You cut a hole where the drain was. Basically. To look for the hole. Where is the right here. You're gonna cut this guy. Okay, here. Oh, the 4 screws. Okay, and basically you cut that, and there's another part goes here, tied up with these holes. Another part, and then these guys just gonna slide in. See these new drains, gives you a little basket for the hair. Pull it out, clean it, and this goes here, and this just slides in. Voila! And basically, drain is gonna be somewhere like this, with all the tiles sloping down. The water gotta slope. I gotta put another coat of mud on top of this, and then tile. And that's it for today.